Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on the virtual keyboard on a Mac. So the simplest and easiest way is by clicking on this input menu from the menu bar, and you will see first you will see your keyboard languages, and below which you can see show keyboard viewer. And if you click on it, you will turn on the virtual keyboard on your Mac. For example, if I click here and I click Google dot com and I hit enter, I will go to google.com. Another way to, if you don't have, or another way to turn on the virtual keyboard on Mac is by going to this Apple icon, system settings, then click on accessibility, and here scroll down to keyboard, click on it, and here next to accessibility keyboard, enable this option. And the accessibility keyboard lets you type and interact with macOS without using a hardware keyboard. And this is how to turn on virtual keyboard on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.